Hello everyone, welcome back to LEXI'S World. Today I'm going to make something really healthy and easy, alright? So I'm going to use strawberries, I'm going to use chia seeds, and I'm going to use honey. And I'm going to make a strawberry chia seed jam, alright? Very easy, only 4 ingredients. I'll use the chia seeds, I'll use the honey, strawberry, and then I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla extra in there, okay? So, let's get started. Before we get started, please don't forget to please like, share, subscribe. I have 3 pounds of strawberries here, and I already measured the strawberries and everything. So I'll start with the strawberries, and I'm going to cut them up a bit, and then they're all washed and clean already. Okay, so I washed and cleaned my strawberries, drained them, and then I cut them up. I cut both of them in 4. So that's a 3 pounds of strawberry. I'm going to use honey. So I'm going to use tablespoons for the honey. I'm going to use 5 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to probably use like 2 to 3 tablespoons of the chia seed, and that will help to make the jam more jammy. Alright. I have my pan preheated. So this is the pan I'm using. I'm going to use the 3 pounds of strawberries. So I have 5 tablespoons of honey. I use a teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. So, this is my strawberry, and just smash it a little bit. I don't like it too smashed, but if you like it like smooth, you can also after it's finished, you can blend it and keep it blender if you want it smooth. But I kind of like it when it's a bit chunky, alright? So I'm gonna just leave it. spoon or a wood spoon. You know, we use a wood spoon that smashes the egg. But I don't really like it to smash. You like your spoon, just blend it after. I'm going to use some chia seeds. 1 tablespoon. I use 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I cook it for like 45 minutes before I put the chia seeds in the pan. So this is my jam. It's kind of a little runny, but because it's here, so you still have to swallow it. Alright, so this is my jam. It's gonna get a little bit more thick because of the chia seeds in there. At this point, if you want it smooth, you just put it in the blender and blend it, alright? But I don't want it to blend. This with the chia seed. The chia seed is good for protein. This can eat like just a snack if you want, or you can put it on toast, bread, or sometimes when I make like chia pudding, I can use this for my base also. So maybe in a different video, I'm going to show you that one. So, as you can see, this is my jam. It's strawberry chia seed. It's still a bit warm. It has to cool before I can cover it. And then once it's cool, it's going to get a bit thicker. Alright? You can use this as a base if you're making chia pudding. You can use this strawberry as your base. If you're making even like a parfait, a yogurt parfait, you can use this as a base also. Jam, you can just eat it as a snack because of the protein in it also, and it's not sweet. If you want it sweeter, you can use more of the honey, and I didn't want it sweeter. And also if you want it smooth, you just blend it in the blender just a little bit, and it will make it, instead of how I have it lumpy, it's gonna be smooth. Alright, so it's considered a healthy meal also. I just use this as a snack. Once it's cool, I'll cover it and refrigerate it, alright? You can refrigerate for a while too. I'm guessing about 3 months, but I never leave it that long because it's not much and it can go really fast, alright? Thank you for watching my videos, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.